Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're going to be performing an in-depth analysis of the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, an exchange-traded fund that tracks the Nasdaq 100 index. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for the tech sector, with some companies posting strong earnings while others underperformed. The Federal Reserve's decision to hold interest rates steady has introduced uncertainty, creating caution in the market. Looking at the daily chart of QQQ, we observe a recent price fluctuation around 520. There's a noticeable period of consolidation preceding a recent price increase. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to analyze the recent price action in more detail. The hourly chart shows some short-term volatility, but also a clear trend of gradual upward movement in price. Now, let's view the 15-minute candlestick chart for a more granular look at the recent movement. We see significant price increases and decreases over shorter periods. These are typical short-term fluctuations. Considering the news and all three timeframes data, short-term predictions show a moderately high probability of QQQ reaching 525 within the next week. A sustained increase in trading volume and a continued absence of major negative news would reinforce this prediction. However, there's a possibility of short-term retracements to around 515 before further increases. This scenario is more likely if negative news related to the tech sector or increased economic uncertainty emerges. Long-term, it's difficult to predict with precision. Continued positive earnings reports and favorable economic conditions could push QQQ towards 550 within 3 months. But significant geopolitical issues or another sharp interest rate hike could trigger a long-term decline. In conclusion, the short-term outlook for QQQ is cautiously bullish, with a target price of 525, but potential dips to around 515. The long-term outlook is more uncertain but has upside potential under favorable conditions. Key factors to watch include overall market sentiment, tech sector earnings, volume, and economic data releases. Keep in mind that this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice.